Hello, welcome back in this tutorial series of Fusion 360. Today we will create such kind of plumber block body with the help of various commands available in Fusion 360. For creating such kind of body of plumber block, first we will go to this new design. Then from here we can see that first we have to draw a rectangle of 208 and 14 mm. Just go to create sketch, select this plane. Now create a rectangle of 208 by 14 mm. Press enter. After creating such kind of rectangle, now the next is we will draw one more rectangle of. From here we can see the height of this one is 68. Out of this 14 we have already created. Now this is 54. So we will create 54 by 108 mm rectangle. We will draw a line from here to here, that is 104, and press enter. Now we will draw one more line from here to here, that is 27. Press. Now we will create a rectangle. Select the rectangle command. From here we will select this center point rectangle. Select this one and create a rectangle of 108 by 54. Press. Now again from the drawing we can see that we have to create one more rectangle. Height of this rectangle is 16 and this is 56. For that, just go to again Fusion 360 interface. First we will draw a line from here of 8 mm and press enter. That you will find out the center point of that rectangle. Use this rectangle command. Select here center rectangle. A rectangle of 56 by 16 and press enter. After that, we have to create this arc of 24 radius, and the distance between the center of this arc and this line is 48 mm. For that, we have to draw one more line from here and create a line of 48 mm. Find out the center of that circle. Use this circle command. Put the center point and create a circle of 48 mm. Press enter. After creating all such sketches, now use the trim command to delete all the unwanted edges. So here I am selecting this trim command and I trim all the unwanted edges one by one, as you can see. Like this. From here I select this dimension and constraint. So as you can see, we have created this profile. Now next is we have to extrude this profile. For that, first finish the sketch. After finishing the sketch, home position, select this extrude command and extrude it up to 6 mm. Press enter. Now as you can see, we have created a body of plumber block. Now as per the drawing, we can see here that there is a taper of 5 by 14. So just choose this one, and from here we will select this temper command and choose this edge, and from here we will select to distance. So it will ask first, so here I provide 14 in this direction, and in this direction I will provide 5. You can see we have provided the taper to this particular edge. Now the next we will provide the taper at this edge. So again we select chamfer and provide 5 here, and this we will provide here 14 and press enter. We have created such kind of body. Now we have to create some holes, as you can see here, these holes. For that, what we have to do, first we have to create a mid plane between this face and this face and press OK. As we have created such kind of mid plane between these faces, now we use this hole command to provide the diameter. As we can see in this drawing, the diameter of this hole is 14, and this is counter bore hole. This diameter is 14, inner diameter is 14, and outer diameter is 26. For that, now we have to provide the diameter of this hole. First we have to select here counter bore, one thing, and from here we have to provide 14. So here I provide 26. One thing. Another is this one is 180, and it is from here we can see just 10 mm, and from here we can provide 68. Now we have to provide some references for that. Use this and provide here 23. Choose another one, this, and provide here. From this drawing we can see here that this 23, 48, 60, 45 mm. So just provide here 65 and press OK. As you can see, we have created a hole here. Now choose this mirror command here. It will ask to us what type of body. So from here we can select this feature. Now this is our object. Then it will ask about the mirror plane and press OK. As you can see, we have created these two holes in this plumber block body. Now the next is we have to create a slot. You can see this drawing. This is our slot. For that, choose this center point slot. Here to center. Here I provide 8, and this is our 12. And press enter. Now the next is select the dimension, and the distance between this point and this line is 23, and press enter. And the distance between this line, this point, and this line is 40. Yes. Now finish the sketch and use this extrude command. Select this profile and do it the negative extrude. And as you can see, we have created one more hole. Now again we will choose this mirror command, select this feature, then we'll provide the mirror plane and we will create one more slot here. Now the next is select these faces and go to create sketch. And as you can see in this particular drawing that there is an arc of 54, that it will like this. So what we have to do, we have to draw a center diameter circle. To draw the circle, we have to find out the center of that particular circle. For that, we draw a line between this and here. Now the next is we will draw one more line. Draw center, this point, and it should be at 23 center. This is the center of that circle. Now choose this center diameter circle and create a circle of this, you can say 4 mm radius, 1, 0, and press enter. Now we can trim all the unwanted edges. Select this trim command and finish the sketch. Now from here choose this extrude command again, select this and extrude it in the negative direction up to -54. Press enter. As you can see, we have done it. Now again select this mirror, select this feature and select the mirror plane and press OK. As you can see, we have created such kind of plumber block. Now as per our drawing, we have to provide this fillet of radius 8 mm. For that, choose this one and provide a fillet of 8 mm and press enter. Similarly, you can choose this one and provide the fillet of 8 mm, press OK. So now you can see we have created part 1 of Plummer block. In the upcoming videos, we will create another parts of Plummer block with the help of various commands available in Fusion 360. With this, today's videos has been completed. Thank you so much for watching my videos and kindly subscribe my channel.